Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle. In this video I want to show you how to paint weapons. There are two ways to approach this with true metallic metals and non-metallic metals, but don't let those terms scare you, it's really simple. First, I prime my weapons black. I use my airbrush, but you can also use a rattle can of black spray paint. Next, I did a Zenithal, and you can do this the classic way with an airbrush spraying white paint from above, or you can do this with a dry brush and some white paint. Just brush it on until most of the model is white, leaving the recesses and bottom black. As you can see, the effect is the same when you put them side by side. I'll paint the first bolt gun in non-metallic metal. I mixed a little bit of blue paint into the black and watered it down. I brushed this onto the model. It'll act like a wash, but it'll tint the weapon more than just shade the recesses, and the blue will make it look nice and clean. Once the blue glaze was dry, I washed the weapons with Games Workshop Nuln Oil. This will darken the recesses and help the details stand out. Then I put a light blue-gray onto my palette so I could dry brush. I worked this paint into the bristles of my dry brush and then spread it over the model, keeping this color to the top of the bolter. This will make the details pop out and show off the sculpt nicely. Next, I painted my true metallic metal gun, mixing together some gunmetal paint with a little black paint and watering it down. I painted this all over the bolter. This will make it look like metal, but keep a little bit of the Zenithal highlight showing through. Then it was time for a Nuln Oil wash. Any black wash will do though. Then I put a little bright silver on my palette and worked this into my bristles. This will become my dry brush highlight. I dusted this onto the top parts of my weapon and it'll look like the light is reflecting off the metal of the weapon. And there you have two painted bolters. You can change up the recipe to change the look of the guns. Adding brown to black instead of blue will make a gun look dirty, and you can add color to the gunmetal to change the tint of the metallics. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes, hobby hangouts, and other exclusive content. This video shows off painting Space Marine bolters, but you might want to check out this video where I show how to paint some Space Marine shoulder pads. Find this video and lots more like it on our Beginners Videos playlist. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.